Hello everyone, in this video we will cover how to optimize the battery level of your Windows. So what is the battery level? So the battery level is like the percentage of charge that your battery has remaining. And why do we optimize it? So if the optimizing allows you to have a better battery, that means it allows you to save your battery for a longer period of time, and there is a better performance that allows you a stable performance, and then there is the best performance that drowns or drains the battery quite fast. So these are the three battery levels that you can change between two. So now let's have a look at the implementation. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So now we are back at my desktop. So we have the battery percentage, that is the fully charged. So if I click over this icon, so now it has a slider. So if I pull it all the way to the left, that means it is the best battery life. So it means it is going to give me a longer time of battery. Now if I pull it over here, it will see the better performance. In the middle, right in the middle is the better performance. Now if I pull it all the way to the right, it is in the best performance mode, that is the lowest optimization and the highest performance. So this is how you can optimize your battery levels. Now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have covered how to optimize the battery level. So thank you for watching.